In today's video, I'm going to show you how to choose between Pocket Option and Expert Option, two of the most popular binary trading platforms right now. Whether you're just getting started in online trading or looking to switch to a platform that better fits your trading style, this quick comparison will walk you through everything you need to know before you make your decision. First, open the Pocket Option website. Right from the dashboard, you'll notice how beginner-friendly it is. You get a clean interface and an instant $10,000 demo account to practice trading. That's a big plus if you're still learning the ropes. The trade execution feels smooth, and placing trades only takes a few clicks. The highlight here is their payout structure, up to 92% returns on winning trades, which is among the highest in the industry. Next, take a look at Expert Option. This one has a more professional design and has been around since 2014, serving millions of users worldwide. When you log in, you'll find the charts are sharper and the trading tools feel more advanced. They support over 100 assets and more than 20 payment options, so you can deposit and withdraw with ease. The minimum deposit is just $10, which makes it accessible for new traders. Plus, their customer support is known for being quick and responsive, something Pocket Options still needs to catch up on. To make your choice easier, here are a few quick tips. If you're new to trading or just want something simple and intuitive, Pocket Option is a great place to start. Just make sure your app or browser is up to date before trading to avoid lag or technical glitches. On the other hand, if you prefer a more professional environment with stronger charting tools, Expert Option will probably suit you better. Just keep in mind, it has a slightly steeper learning curve. Once you've tried both demo accounts, pay attention to how each platform feels. Does Pocket Option's simplicity help you focus, or does Expert Option's precision give you more control? After testing both, you'll quickly figure out which one fits your style best. It's also smart to start small with real trades, maybe $10 to $20, and gradually build your strategy as you gain confidence. And remember, always trade responsibly and never risk more than you can afford to lose. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to decide whether Pocket Option or Expert Option is the better fit for you easily, confidently, and without wasting time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make a smarter trading choice.